So class, for your group project, you'll be putting a web page in HTML.
So my teacher gave us HTML homework and I absolutely had no idea what HTML even stood for. This is the story of how I learned HTML overnight accidentally. As any normal student does when given homework, I procrastinated till the last minute. So I thought to myself, why learn HTML when I can just ask my AI overload ChatGPT for some HTML code? So I got the code from ChatGPT and immediately went to bed.
The next day.
So the next morning, I wake up chilling thinking everything's fine. Until computer science period rolls up and a teacher says,
Yosef, come present your project.
so I was like, no problem, it's just HTML. How bad could it be? So I came out, showed him my project, thinking that it would all be over very soon. And then he goes like,
Pull up the source code.
so I pulled up the source code and showed it to him. So then he goes,
Explain it.
at that moment, I thought my life was over. I look at the code and then something just clicks. Like this stuff is just literally English with angles. Like hate literally means heading. How easy could this get? So I started explaining it like I actually know what I'm talking about.
Impressive.
I made sure to thank my homeboy ChatGPT for that.
You just need to add CSS to make it look better. Do Friday.
At that moment, I didn't even care about the extra homework. I was just happy I survived.
Later that same evening.
So later that same day, I go back to ChatGPT and ask it to add CSS to my project, thinking I would just learn it overnight like I did with HTML.